Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. That's the first mistake. What if you're missing its real power? What if 5 small tweaks could double your output? What if you could turn one prompt into a system? Why are some users getting 10x better results? And why isn't anyone explaining this clearly? Today, you'll learn 5 overlooked ChatGPT tricks. These aren't basic prompts. They're leverage points. Each one changes how you work. Each one compounds over time. If you apply even one, your workflow shifts. Stay until the last trick. It's the most underestimated. And it unlocks something most users ignore. Let's start with the real problem. People ask, then wait. That's passive usage. Top users guide the output actively. They structure the conversation. They shape the model's thinking. That's what you're about to learn. First trick is role stacking. Most people assign one role. That's limiting. Instead, combine roles strategically. Think like a team, not a single expert. For example, mix strategist and copywriter. Or analyst and marketer. This creates layered responses. You get depth and creativity together. Try specifying 2 or 3 perspectives. Each adds a different lens. The output becomes more refined. You'll notice fewer generic answers. And more actionable insights. This matters for business decisions. Especially in competitive markets. Now push it further. Ask each role to challenge the others. This creates internal debate. Better reasoning emerges naturally. You're simulating a think tank. Not just asking a question. That's a massive upgrade. Second trick is constraint engineering. More freedom doesn't mean better results. Constraints create clarity. They force precision. Instead of, write a plan, define limits. Set word counts. Set tone. Set audience specifics. Set format rules. This reduces randomness and increases usefulness. For example, specify US small business owners. Now the response aligns with reality. Add budget constraints. Now it becomes practical. Add time constraints. Now it becomes executable. This is how professionals think. Boundaries shape strategy. Without them, you get fluff. With them, you get direction. Third trick is iterative prompting loops. Most people stop after one answer. That's inefficient. Instead, treat output as a draft. Refine it step by step. Ask for improvements. Ask for simplification. Ask for expansion. Each loop sharpens the result. Think of it like editing. You don't publish first drafts. Same logic applies here. This is where ChatGPT excels. It remembers context. Use that memory. Guide it progressively. You'll reach higher quality outputs. Much faster than starting over. Now combine loops with feedback. Tell it what's missing. Tell it what feels weak. It adjusts instantly. That's your advantage. Fourth trick is output formatting control. Most users ignore structure. They accept whatever format appears. That's a mistake. Structure determines usability. For business, format matters. Ask for bullet points. Ask for tables. Ask for frameworks. Ask for step sequences. Now the output becomes actionable. You can implement faster. You can share easier. You can scale results. This is critical for teams. Clean outputs save time. Time saved equals money earned. Also request multiple variations. Compare them side by side. Pick the strongest direction. This mirrors real strategy work. You're not guessing anymore. You're selecting. Quick pause here. If this is useful, follow along. Turn on alerts so you don't miss future breakdowns. Because we go deeper every week. Now the fifth trick. This one changes everything. It's called prompt chaining. Instead of one big prompt, break it down. Each step feeds the next. Think like a pipeline. First, generate ideas. Second, filter the best ones. Third, expand a single idea. Fourth, turn it into execution steps. Each stage has a clear purpose. This increases output quality dramatically. It also reduces confusion. The model focuses better. You guide the journey, not just the destination. This is how advanced users operate. They design systems, not isolated prompts. Now let's apply this to making money. Say you want a new side hustle. Start with idea generation. Ask for niche opportunities. Then filter by demand and competition. Then build a business model. Then create a marketing plan. Then generate content ideas. Each step builds momentum. Soon, you have a full strategy. Not just random suggestions. This is where tools matter. For example, use Notion AI for organizing outputs. Use Perplexity AI for research validation. Use Claude for long-form reasoning. Use WriteSonic for marketing copy variations. Use Descript for turning scripts into video. Each tool complements ChatGPT. Together, they create a system. Now here's a critical insight. Tools don't create leverage. Systems do. Anyone can access tools. Few people design workflows. That's your edge. Start thinking in processes, not tasks. Build repeatable pipelines. This scales your output and your income potential. Another overlooked move is saving prompts. Don't recreate from scratch. Build a personal prompt library. Refine it over time. This becomes your asset. Your competitive advantage grows because your system improves, while others stay random. Also analyze your best outputs. Reverse engineer what worked. Identify patterns. Then reuse those structures. This compounds results. Now let's address a common mistake. People expect perfect answers instantly. That's unrealistic. ChatGPT is a collaborator, not a mind reader. You need to guide it. The better your input, the better the output. Garbage in, garbage out still applies. So invest in prompt quality. It pays long-term dividends. Another pro move is context stacking. Provide background information. Give examples. Set expectations clearly. Now the model aligns faster. Less correction needed later. This saves time and increases precision. Now imagine combining all 5 tricks. Role stacking, constraint engineering, iterative loops, formatting control, prompt chaining. You're no longer a basic user. You're operating at a different level. This is how professionals use AI. Quietly, efficiently, profitably. And the gap is widening between casual users and system builders. Choose which side you're on, because this space is moving fast, and early adopters gain leverage before others catch up. Now one last insight. I won't replace skilled thinkers. It amplifies them. So your thinking matters more than ever. Use these tricks to sharpen it, not replace it. That's how you stay ahead. If you made it this far, you're serious. Keep learning. Keep refining your systems. And don't miss what's coming next. Subscribe and enable notifications. Because next week goes even deeper. We're breaking down real AI income systems. Step by step. Stay ready.